Have you ever wished you could bake a soft, fluffy, bakery-style vanilla sponge cake without even using an oven? Today, I'm going to show you a simple recipe that turns everyday ingredients into the most delicious, light, and moist vanilla sponge cake. First, crack 3 eggs into a large mixing bowl. Add 2/3 cup of sugar, but don't add it all at once. Start beating the eggs for about a minute, then gradually add the sugar while continuing to beat. This step is very important because it incorporates air into the mixture, giving your sponge cake its light and fluffy texture. Keep beating until the mixture becomes pale, creamy, and foamy. Now it's time to add 1/2 cup of oil. Pour it in slowly, then beat the mixture again until it's smooth, creamy, and fully combined. The oil is the secret to a perfectly moist sponge cake. It keeps every bite soft, tender, and delicious, even after the cake has completely cooled. Once everything is well mixed, you're ready for the next step. Next, place a strainer over the bowl. Add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Sifting the dry ingredients removes any lumps and makes the batter smooth. Add the flour gradually while gently mixing, being careful not to overmix so your cake stays soft and airy. Now that the flour is fully mixed in, it's time to add 1/4 cup of milk. Pour it in gradually and gently mix until the batter becomes smooth, silky, and free of any lumps. Next, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. This is what gives your sponge cake that classic, sweet, bakery-style aroma everyone loves. Give the batter one final gentle mix until everything is perfectly combined. You'll notice the batter is creamy, glossy, and has a rich vanilla fragrance. This is exactly the consistency you want for a soft, light, and fluffy vanilla sponge cake. Now let's prepare the cake mold. Lightly grease it with a little oil, then place a sheet of baking paper at the bottom and brush a thin layer of oil over the paper as well. This simple step makes a big difference. It prevents the cake from sticking, so it comes out clean, smooth, and perfectly shaped every single time. Pour the batter into the prepared mold and gently tap it a few times on the countertop. This helps release any trapped air bubbles, giving you an even sponge with a beautiful texture. For baking without an oven, place a stand or rack inside a large, heavy-bottomed pan. Cover the pan and preheat it on medium heat for 5 minutes. Once it's hot, carefully place the cake mold on the stand. Cover the pan again and bake on low heat for 30 to 40 minutes. Resist the temptation to open the lid too often, as this can affect how well the cake rises. Carefully remove the cake from the pan and let it cool for a few minutes before unmolding. Peel away the baking paper and just look at that beautifully risen golden sponge. Slice it up and enjoy every soft, fluffy, melt-in-your-mouth bite. It's perfect with a cup of tea or coffee, or you can decorate it with whipped cream and fresh fruits for any special occasion. If you enjoyed this easy vanilla sponge cake recipe, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more delicious recipes. Happy baking, and I'll see you in the next one.